Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one channel which I really don't like. So it's Star LPS2 and I'm going to show you why I really don't like it. It's Obliviation LPS's music video. I saw this one's a nice music video and she stole it. I don't know which one. Come on, that's the same everything. She didn't change anything. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know. Starlight LPS complaining about my content. Okay, let's see.
So, someone stole my video.
What?
Starlight LPS.
Oh, right.
Hi guys, it's Starlight LPS, and welcome to the video. So, today's video is a little different. So I recently noticed a channel called Star LPS2 who was stealing people's content and videos, and she stole mine. Yep, that actually happened to me. I also find it pretty funny, if I'm honest.
Wait.
All her videos are stolen from larger YouTubers with lots of subscribers, and she stole little old me's video. So if she is watching this, hi you rat. So, I will be issuing a copyright strike on her because she has stolen my content. She's stolen my video, DIY how to make LPS Christmas Santa hats, and I put a lot of hard work into that video, and her upload of my video has almost got as many views.
So hats? Here. That's the video.
Hi guys, it's Starlight LPS and welcome to the video. For today's video,
Babysitter. Oh, this is from Cookies World. See, I recognize her voice.
I know what it is. I think it's a custom, guys.
No, it's Possum.
Hey guys, welcome back to Possum TV.
Why
It's Monday again, which means Fan Mail Mondays are back. Today we're gonna be.
So I don't get it. So Possum TV and Cookies World C have so similar voices. Maybe they're the same person. I don't really know. But let's watch this thing.
Opening up some more fan mail. And for those of you who keep asking if I haven't opened your fan mail yet, don't you worry. It just means I haven't gotten to it yet. I opened every single piece of fan mail.
Gosh. Let's go Bad Teacher 2. Even LPS Kit Kat. God.
Oh my god, did you hear about...
What? Really? This is boring. This is boring. Psycho babysitter.
Alright kids, I want you to be on your best behavior. Mom, we get it. Come on, just go.
That's not her video. New LPS unboxing. She can't take intros off anymore? Really? Wow, great job, stupid. Okay, it's all for... Okay, guys, this is all for the video. I know it's... Wait. Look at that. Diamond Eyes whining about my videos.
Nichir, if you guys don't know who Star LPS2 is, she's this girl on YouTube and she copies other people's videos, which is not good, and she proceeded on copying mine, and it kind of annoys me that she sent me the link to my video posted on her channel, which is really annoying. I don't even know why she does that. Like, that's kind of stupid. No, it just annoys me. It triggers me that she did that. It's just like, okay, whatever. But anyways, she posted my video on her channel, and it's like my most viewed videos, and
Yeah.
like why would she do that? Like, it's so stupid. Like, she could just go on and post her own content, and it'd probably give her more like fame, I guess, than this. Like, this is kind of stupid. Like, she's stupid. But okay, she didn't only copy that video, she copied another video, which is how to get your crush to like you, but the title was different. Anyway, so yeah, it's kind of like, why would you do that? Like, she she probably has nothing better to do with her life. But like seriously though, like okay, if you don't know what to do with your life, then you can go watch my bored, like 10 things to do when you're bored videos, because this is not what to do when you're bored. Like this is like a little kid on an internet reposting other.
Wow. Okay, another video.
Oh my dog! Guess what? LPS Girl Videos is back, and she's not. She's pretending to be LPS Star. So I found her channel, and she stole everything. She's trying to pretend, because I just found a channel, and oh boy, oh gee. You guys want to look it up, you go hate on her channel, because that's what I definitely want you guys to do. I want you guys to.
Yeah, I'm gonna hate. It's like thousands of unlikes, and wow. You don't deserve that much subscribers, stupid. I actually can't comment. I would say, you're so stupid, Sir Albius, too. You know what? If she's gonna see this video, I'm gonna be like, it's for you, Sir Albius, too. So, first thing is first. Wow, you're such a meanie. You're so stupid. Yeah, I just want to say the F word right now to you. I really want to send something bad to her. Like, I'm so mad. I have done, like, a video, like, on how I hate her. Like, in my previous channel that I didn't delete it. When I got a new phone, I didn't have that channel anymore in this phone. So that sucks. That really sucks. Yeah, this is obviously really bad. Wow, she's such a burglar. I just want to, you know what? I'm gonna report her right now. You're gonna see me report her. Report. So, child abuse. Wait, what? What? There are no stealing videos. Come on. So there are no stealing videos, but I really want to report her. All I can do is not like her videos. That's all I can do? No. Okay. This is all for today, and go and hate on her channel. I'm asking you to go on and hate on her channel, actually. Yeah. So, bye guys. See ya some other day. And by the way, I'm thinking of a serious, but I'm obviously sure that this stupid girl is gonna put my video on her YouTube channel, which is really stupid. So, bye guys.